चलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन विद एक्सरसाइज 3.5। एक्चुअली दिस exercise depends upon cross multiplication method, and you know that this year we don't have cross multiplication method, but the problems in this exercise can also be solved by substitution method and elimination method. Okay, so it's my request to you that you need to solve all the problems of this exercise by elimination or by substitution method. It will be a practice for you. ठीक है? And few questions are there that are very important in this exercise. Okay, so that questions I am going to take here. Okay, so please keep your attention here. Let's start the exercise. Okay, question number 2 directly I am taking, because question number 1 is by cross multiplication method, but that question I am saying you have to practice by elimination and substitution method. Okay, so let's start question number 2 here. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? For what value of a and b the following equations have infinite solutions? Now you should know the condition for infinite solution. That is very important. आपको इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन के लिए कंडीशन क्या है ये पता है, ऐसा मेरे को लगता है, बिकॉज़ वी हैव सॉल्व्ड और वी हैव लर्न व्हेन द सॉल्यूशंस आर इनफाइनाइट, व्हेन द सॉल्यूशन इज यूनिक एंड व्हेन देयर इज नो रियल सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ सी, if we go on comparing, we'll compare this, comparing equation. Suppose this is 1 and this one is second. Equation 1 and 2y a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2 respectively. तो a1 क्या आएगा 2, b1 will be 3 and c1 will be 7. Here a2 will be a minus b, b2 will be a plus b, and talking about c2 is whole term, that is thrice a plus b minus 2. Now for infinite solution, we have condition, that is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. These all three ratios should be equal. Now put the values. What is a1? So it will be 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b equals to 7 upon, what is there, thrice a plus b minus 2. Now let's solve a2. ठीक है, ये दोनों सॉल्व करने से पहले as we have to find out the value of a and b, so 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b. Let us multiply. क्या आएगा 2a प्लस 2b इक्वल्स टू 3a माइनस 3b। ठीक है, तो a एक तरफ ला दो, b दूसरे तरफ लेके चले जाओ। 2a प्लस माइनस 3a इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3b, ये प्लस 2 तो गया तो माइनस 2b, सो इट विल बी 2a minus 3a is minus a, here minus minus will be equals to plus, so it will be minus 5b, so we will get a is equals to 5b. Okay, so we got the value of a in terms of b. Now let's solve again any two solutions. दूसरे दो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, कोई भी दूसरा और तीसरा ले लेंगे। What is there? Thrice 3 upon a plus b is equals to 7 upon thrice a plus b minus 2. Okay, you can put the value of a also. Put the value of a 3 upon what is a 5b plus b equals to 7 upon, put the value of a here also, 3 into a, what is a 3 into 5b plus b minus 2, क्या आएगा फिर अभी 3 upon 5b plus b is 6b equals to 7 upon what will come 3 5 are 15, 15b plus b is 16b minus 2, right? करो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, अभी क्या आएगा देखो 3 into 16, 16 3s are 48b, 3 minus 2s are minus 6, 7 into 6 is 7 6 are 42b, 42 को इधर लाओ, 6 को उधर भेज दो, 48b minus 42b equals to 6, 48 में से 42 गए, 6b is equals to 6. Okay, so b is equals to 1. So in this way we got the value of b. Now put the value of b in this. Put b equals to 1 in a equals to 5b. आप कोई भी इक्वेशन में रख सकते हो, देखो I am putting in this because it is easier for me. So क्या आएगा अभी ये, therefore a equals to 5 into b means 5 into 1, therefore a is equals to 5. Therefore the value of a and b is 5 and 1 respectively. 5 and 1 respectively. ठीक है, समझ में आया? So in this way we can find out the value of a and b here. Infinite solution दिए थे. Okay, so let's take second example of this. What is second example? We will see. Here these problems are important problems. Find the value of k, find the value of a and b. Some conditions are given to us and we are told to find out the values. Second is, for which value of k will the pair of linear equation have no solution? ये भी important है, no solution. यहाँ पे आपको no solution की condition पता होनी चाहिए. The equation is 3x plus y equals to 1 and second equation is given 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y equals to 2k plus 1. Okay, देखिए अब here it is given that it has no solution. No solution की कंडीशन आपको पता है. First of all we will compare what will be a1, 3 है, 3 है x का 3, b1 1, c1 1, a2 2k minus 1, b2 is k minus 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. Okay, and there is no common solution. No common solution. Therefore, we have condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but not equals to c1 upon c2. See, two values we will get here. One equal to and one not equal to. Both we need to find here. So, Rahubia 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to 1 upon k minus 1 is not equals to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Let's take one from this. कोई भी एक लो सबसे पहले 3 upon 2k minus 1, 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to 1 upon k minus 1. 1 upon k minus 1. Here one only variable is there. So let's find. Cross product करो. ये आएगा 3 into k, 3k, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 1 into 2k, 2k, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now bring k to one side, 2k, 3k minus 2k equals to, here it is minus 1, minus use हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा plus 3. 3k minus 2k is k equals to minus plus minus, 3 में से बन गया 2. So here the value of k is equals to 2. Now we will solve for this also condition where it is not equal. So take 1 upon k minus 1 is not equals to 1 upon 2k plus 1. करो here also cross multiplication. ये 1 है तो कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. It will be 2k plus 1 is not equals to, here also multiplying by 1, so no change, k minus 1. So 2k here it will become minus k, not equals to, here there is minus 1 plus 1 goes there, become minus 1. 2k minus k is not equals to minus minus plus, so minus 2. ठीक है. So these are the values of k. ठीक है. For no solution, for the equations, for the equation to have no solution, what we can do? The value of k is equals to 2 and k is not equals to minus 2. ठीक है. So this is how we have solved question number 2. That was very important from this exercise. Now remaining are word problems. ठीक है. word problems भी अपन एक बार देख लेंगे कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. But we will see in our next video. ठीक है. So thank you very much. In this video, we will also see question number 4, some word problems. Okay, that video was too short, so I decided that we can take 1 or 2 problems again in this video only. So question number 1 from question number 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist. If they exist, okay, means the solutions can be infinite, the solutions can be finite, means one solution may be there or there may be not solution. Okay, so we'll see first one. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and remaining depends upon the number of days one has taken food in mess. When student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. ऐसा एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया है अपने टैक्सी का, ठीक है? So take let a fixed charge be rupees X and charge per day na, cost of food per day and cost of food per day be rupees Y. Now see what is first condition. We go for first condition. पहली कंडीशन क्या होती है देखो, the part of a monthly charge, यहाँ पे चार्ज स्टार्ट हो रहा है. When a student takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees. फिक्स चार्ज तो लगना ही है, तो क्या आएगा, फिक्स चार्ज विल बी इक्वल्स टू x, इसके अंदर ही ऐड होगा जो कुछ भी होगा. नाउ पर डे चार्ज रुपीस 20, so for how many days she takes, for 20 days, so 20 into y is equals to 1000. So this will be our first equation. It's very easy. Now second condition. Now see what is second condition. Second condition is if, whereas student B who takes food for 26 days, तो यहाँ पे भी मैं तो पहले लिख रहा हूँ x तो कंपलसरी है फिक्स चार्ज, प्लस 26 डेज चार्ज में 26 into y and total hostel charge rupees 1180. Equation number 2. Now they have told that if they have equation then solve, if they have solution or if their solution exists then solve it further. तो यहाँ पे coefficient of x is 1, so 1 upon 1 is 1 and coefficient of y is means b1 की value, b1 और b2 की value is 26, 20 and 26. So they both are only not equal, so they have one common solution. So but this have to solve by cross multiplication method. We will use here elimination method or you can use a substitution method also. ठीक है? So ये हुआ first. You have to solve it further by any method you can solve. You can solve by elimination method also, or you can solve it by substitution method also. Okay? Next. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. It's very easy, so I think you only must solve it. Or see here some hint. Let the numerator को क्या लो, numerator be x and फ्रैक्शन क्या बनेगा? सो ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन इज x upon y. Now what they have told, see, a fraction become 1/3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. First condition क्या है? फर्स्ट कंडीशन, अगर आप न्यूमरेटर में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो और डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज, सो द फ्रैक्शन बिकम्स व्हाट? द फ्रैक्शन बिकम 1/3. ये आ जाएगा 1/3. Now you can cross multiply and you can write it in the standard form. करो 3 into x 3x, 3 into -1 -3 equals to y into 1 is y. Put it in standard form और इस फॉर्म में भी आप रख सकते हो. It will help you to form in और solve in substitution method पे आपको हेल्प कर सकता है ये. ठीक है, या आप उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाना होगा तो वो आ जाएगा 3x, ये y जो आया -y equals to 3 को उधर लेके गया तो भी चलेगा. ओके, नाउ सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Second condition we have given that from the numerator, when we subtract 1 from the numerator पहले, it becomes 1/4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Means second condition, if 8 is added to denominator मतलब x as it is रहेगा, so this becomes 1/4, right? इसको भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ये क्या आएगा? 4 into x 4x equals to y 1 जा y 8 1 जा 8. ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाना है. डालो 4x minus y is equals to 8. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. देखो 3/4 1/1 means here they have common solution as a1/a2 is not equals to b1/b2. तो इसको सॉल्व आपको करते आएगा. ठीक है, so these are the two problems which we have seen of this exercise. Next problem we will try to see in next video. ठीक है, actually these problems were to be solved by cross multiplication, लेकिन अब यही क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए एलिमिनेशन मेथड और सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. ठीक है, अगर आपको कहां पे भी दिक्कत आती है